You'll be surprised to know that with just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can help soothe joint discomfort without needing to reach for pain relievers. Don't worry about those aching joints that keep you up at night. Today, I'm sharing a simple traditional recipe that many people have used to ease discomfort, reduce swelling, and support better joint flexibility day by day. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll reveal a small tip that can help double the benefits of this recipe, a secret that not many people know. In this recipe, the first ingredient is bay leaves, a familiar kitchen herb with impressive benefits for overall comfort. Bay leaves contain natural compounds that help ease discomfort, calm swelling, and support joint flexibility. They also help the body flush out excess salts that can contribute to stiffness, which is especially helpful for those who often experience joint tension or gout-related discomfort. You'll need about 5 to 7 bay leaves depending on their size. Rinse them well, then gently crush or bruise the leaves to help release their natural oils. Place everything into a clean glass bowl. When the leaves are slightly crushed, the essential oils, antioxidants, and soothing compounds can blend into the mixture more easily. Bay leaves are well known for supporting healthy circulation, easing joint tension, and helping the joints feel more comfortable and flexible. Whether used warm, infused in oil, or prepared as a beverage bay, leaves offer gentle natural benefits. And with regular use, those benefits become even more noticeable and long-lasting. So, how about you? Have you ever tried using bay leaves? Do you prefer drinking it as a tea or making a massage oil? The next ingredient in this recipe is rosemary, a familiar herb in the kitchen and a well-known remedy in traditional folk practices. Rosemary has long been used as a natural helper for easing joint discomfort, supporting flexibility, and providing comfort for those dealing with stiffness or age-related joint concerns. My family always grows a few rosemary bushes in our garden because its benefits are truly amazing. Just pick about 3 fresh sprigs of rosemary, rinse them well to remove any dirt, and keep the natural essential oils intact. Rosemary contains many anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, making it a great choice for anyone who often experiences joint discomfort. For those dealing with rheumatoid joint issues, rosemary may also help reduce swelling, ease discomfort, and support circulation to the affected joints, which can help improve that stiff feeling in the morning. After rinsing, gently pat the rosemary dry and separate the leaves from the stems, because most of the beneficial compounds are concentrated in the leaves, while the stems offer very little value. Rosemary leaves contain cineol, camphor, borneol, pinene, along with tannins and saponins, all of which have strong antioxidant properties that help protect joint tissues, support reduced inflammation, and slow down the natural aging process of the joints. As a result, joint discomfort, swelling, and morning stiffness can improve noticeably. After separating the leaves, you will have about 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves, just the right amount for today's recipe. If you don't have fresh rosemary, you can replace it with about 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary, and the effect is nearly the same. The natural essential oils in rosemary also help relax the muscles, reduce tension, and bring a soothing sensation, which is why it has long been considered a companion herb for those who often experience joint discomfort. add the rosemary leaves to the glass bowl containing the bay leaves, allowing the two herbs to blend and enhance their benefits. The next important ingredient is extra virgin olive oil. For centuries, olive oil has been regarded as liquid gold in natural wellness, thanks to its rich nutrients and powerful anti-inflammatory properties. For this recipe, you only need about 100 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Thanks to its healthy fatty acids and natural antioxidants, olive oil helps soothe inflammation, protect the joints, and support the recovery of areas experiencing pain or discomfort. In other words, in this recipe, olive oil acts both as a carrier and as a therapeutic ingredient, creating a natural, safe, and highly effective massage oil for anyone who frequently deals with joint pain. Pour 100 ml of olive oil into the glass bowl you've prepared. Do you often experience lower back pain in the morning? If so, make sure to watch this video until the end. You might discover a simple natural remedy that helps ease discomfort every day. Give it a try and feel the difference. Make sure the glass bowl you're using is heat-resistant. Then place it into a pot and heat it using the double boiler method. This step is very important because it allows the active compounds in the leaves to be released slowly without burning or losing their beneficial properties. During the entire heating process, keep the heat at a medium level and cook for about 30 minutes. Gently stir occasionally so the active compounds can blend evenly into the olive oil. As the essential oils from bay leaves and rosemary infuse into this liquid gold, they create a highly effective therapeutic oil that helps soothe pain, reduce inflammation, and support better joint mobility. The resulting mixture is especially helpful for easing joint pains, supporting gout osteoporosis, and calming varicose vein discomfort. This is a simple yet safe traditional remedy that you can easily apply at home to care for your joints and improve blood circulation. Once the oil has cooled down slightly, strain out all the herbs using a fine sieve, keeping only the clear infused oil. Then transfer it into a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store the jar in a dry, cool place or in the refrigerator to keep it fresh longer without worrying about spoilage. This therapeutic oil is very easy to use and incredibly versatile. Each night before bed, simply take a small amount, apply it to the joints or muscles that feel sore, and gently massage for a few minutes to help the oil penetrate deeply. You can leave it on overnight so your body can fully absorb its benefits. After about 7 days of consistent use, you will notice a clear difference. The painful areas feel less sore. Your joints move more easily, and the morning stiffness is significantly reduced. Whenever the pain returns, you can repeat this method as a natural, safe, and very easy home remedy. With steady use of today's tip combined with gentle movement and a balanced diet, you'll gradually feel your body become more flexible, less achy, and healthier overall. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next videos.